from the first kind of 5 minutes, everybody got on so well. You know, it's been a brilliant kind of atmosphere. Everybody just gets stuck in as well. You know, everyone was having a laugh when they were doing it and chatting away. It shows best bits of archaeology and heritage projects, doesn't it? And it shows you how unique these kind of projects are and bringing folk together.
To see it, feel it, touch it, and there's a story behind it, it's just incredible.
Well done, James.
Let's find the rest of it then.
I am from Vietnam. I come to Glasgow for applying Asylum Seeker in Glasgow. I have been in Glasgow for 5 months. I came to volunteer at the first Hampden Park because I love football. I have opportunity to speak with people. I have opportunity to improve my English. So that's a great opportunity for me to get communicate with people in Glasgow.
What made us want to do this is there are things here that are of importance to kind of Scotland more generally and to our history, and we'd like to be involved in helping discover that.
I think it's quite interesting. I'm not a football fan, but just the fact that I got to dig something up, it's such an amazing. I feel like I'm in an Indiana Jones movie. You cut that, right? Oh, yeah, good.
We've had about 11 different nationalities involved in the dig, and it was really heartening to kind of hear why people were wanting to volunteer and why they were really keen. Maybe not so interested in football, but really interested in Glasgow and finding out about their new home. And I think that really kind of epitomises Glasgow and epitomises football as well. Obviously, kind of bringing people together. And it's a big part of what we do as Archaeology Scotland. So it's been fantastic.